So you're thinking about going solar, but you want to make sure that your roof is covered. Well, today I can help you with that. Let's get into it. Welcome everybody to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. So before we get into this video, let's talk about how the whole solar process works. The first thing your solar provider should do is have their own checklist assessment, such as taking a look at the materials of your roof, what direction your roof is facing, and are there any obstructions such as trees or other buildings. Then if everything is in check, your solar provider should set up what is called a site survey. This is where they come to take a look at your roof and make sure that your roof is in good condition for solar. Remember, your panels are going to be up there for at least 20 years, so this step of the process is really important. And don't worry, the site survey is easy and quick. What they will do is that they will assess the outside of your roof with the drone, and then they will need to look at the foundation of your roof through the attic. Once this is all done, they will let you know if your roof qualifies for solar. This is the part where homeowners freak out because you are going to have a whole bunch of workers up there on your roof, you know, installing the panels, and yes, it will require for them to drill some holes in your roof to make sure that the panels are secure. And therefore, you want to make sure that you hire a trustworthy company with reputable reviews. But how do you know if you're really getting quality? Today, I am going to give you some specific questions that you should definitely ask your solar provider before going solar. This way, you will know that you are hiring not just a good company, but a great company. Number one, do you have leak protection warranties? And if so, how long do they last? 5 years is the industry standard. Now, if a leak were to happen, you would normally notice this within the first year or maximum 2. But to tell you the truth, leaks nowadays are actually quite rare. After they install the panels, they will actually seal the holes. Special flashings will be installed around the roof penetrations, and this will simply allow the water to easily flow away. What if something on my property or on my roof was damaged during the installation? This is an industry standard and they should have workmanship warranty. You simply want to make sure that your home and your roof is protected during the installation. A good solar provider will obviously make sure that all of this is taken care of during the installation. What if one of the panels is damaged during the installation? Once again, this should be part of your workmanship warranty. So once again, this is something that you want to ask your solar provider before moving ahead. If your solar provider can assure you that all of these questions are covered by warranty, then you know that your roof will be well looked after and that you have hired a quality solar provider. This obviously gives you a peace of mind knowing that your roof and your solar panels are taken care of. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a roof inspection, and if you obviously would like us to give you a solar quote, since we are a solar company, you can go to the description box below, or you can go to our website. And that's it, really. Okay, thanks. Bye.